Nothing.
He broke my lip.
No, it didn't. It was already broken.
No, it wasn't cracked. It was scratched, but he cracked it.
Yeah, but it was already f***ed up.
Free car washes for a year?
No.
It was already broken. It doesn't count.
No, it was scratched.
No, it was already broken.
100%. That is a good one.
You're a nice guy, you know, Sarkis.
He's gonna go talk shit right now.
Yeah, he's gonna
Right now that I leave, he's gonna talk shit.
yeah. I'll film it too.
Film it. Let me know.
I'm not like that.
Alright guys, we're standing in front of this beautiful Blue Cepheus SVJ Roadster all the way from Miami. This car is in for a clear bra, for an exhaust, tune, and a few other things. But yeah, this thing is gorgeous color. This is actually the same color we're painting that Urus complete paint job, wide body Urus, in the same beautiful color. One of my favorite colors from Lamborghini because it has like a purple metallic inside the blue and it's just ridiculous. So yeah, this SVJ is gonna be nuts. Rolls-Royce Dawn. It's the last year of the Rolls-Royce Dawn. This is a fully blacked out one. We blacked it all out using wrap, of course, so everything's reversible. It's sitting on 24-inch RDB wheels, two-tone black, floating caps. We used the original floating caps, so it's perfect. Literally the best looking wheel on this car. It's being copied everywhere right now and going on Rolls-Royces all over the world, but if you want the originals, call RDB. Orange interior, it's wild, it looks amazing. We love this car, honestly. The Rolls-Royce Dawn has been such a great success for Rolls-Royce. It's probably the best convertible car ever made, so we'll see what's gonna top it. But yeah, there you have it, another Rolls-Royce Dawn. We're not sick of these cars yet. We still love them, and I think they're still gonna keep going, so. Beautiful blue Lamborghini Urus, signature thing. We do these cars quite often. This one just got the RDB wheels, RDB signature wheels again, 24-inch fitment, beautiful wheels, look incredible on this thing. Just like the Rolls-Royce Dawn or whatever, we proved that this style works on everything. This vehicle also got the Capristo exhaust system, carbon fiber tips, the best sounding exhaust system in the market for the Lamborghini Urus. We proved that as well. This doesn't have downpipes, it's literally just the back section. It's remotely valved as well, so sport mode sounds incredible. As you could hear, not obnoxious, just a little bit better than stock. This car is also lowered to a perfect ride height, not too slammed, not too high. It works really, really good. It drives really good, very sporty. Yeah, that's all we did on this Urus, and it looks like this. So we didn't do any paint work on it, nothing like that. It's a beautiful blue color, just the wheels and the exhaust, and it came out ridiculously well. This car has like a black and red interior, just like my car. pretty cool on the blue and red, honestly. We have a lot more Uruses in store. We're finishing up the Blue Cepheus Widebody Urus. That's a full paint job makeover Urus. That's almost done. We have a red Urus in for Widebody next. After that, we are just finishing up another white Widebody Urus as well. It's crazy. It's Urus season always. We have a lot in store for you guys coming up, and a lot of other cars in process right now. We are fixing a lot of cars that other shops ruined as well. Just sad to see. I'm not going to drop names, but we're fixing a bunch of things that took other shops months to do, and it didn't come out good. So we're going to be doing a lot of that fixing. But yeah, we're coming up to the end of the year, and we want to get this YouTube channel even more and more. So make sure you subscribe. Make sure you're on our Discord on RDB Car Club for the NFT drop. Make sure you're following us on all those fields, because we work very hard to show you guys all this stuff. But yeah, check out this other Urus. All right, so we're inside the Urus right now. This is the Capristo remote system. It has 4 buttons, and 1 is really off, 4 is completely on, 2 and 3 is programmable. So you have the remote right there. Honestly, you never need to use it. It doesn't get too loud, so it's good. Check out the steering wheel. This is an aftermarket steering wheel. It's carbon fiber with the Italian flag in the center. It's really, really thick, honestly. I have an aftermarket steering wheel as well, but mine doesn't have this. It's a little more rounded here. I also have the shift lights, and mine is not as thick here. It's kind of flat here. It's a little bit, it takes time to getting used to, but honestly, the steering wheel is a nice upgrade. Other than that, bone stock, red and black interior, just like mine, honestly, almost the same, except mine does have the forged carbon everywhere. So yeah, we love our Urus interiors, guys. Whoever has a Urus knows the interiors are so much fun and technology savvy. They have everything right here, and they drive really good. So I can't say enough about the Urus. It's my favorite car, so. Ooh, look, this one has night vision. The night vision is actually an option. I haven't seen that on the Urus much. It's sensing heat, because the night vision also gets heat. See the other car pass by, and then it senses the exhaust system is hot, so it's a lighter color. So whenever a person walks by, which I could demonstrate, it'll be very bright because body temperature.
Let's just go home.
What are you gonna do when you get home?
Watch movies, sleep, wake up, and come to work again. Let's go. Joshua, are you gonna go out with your girlfriends?
Can I borrow your car for tonight?
Sure. Are you gonna pay for a full tank of gas?
Yeah.
Wash my car?
Yeah. Body shop.
Let's go.
Do you use that sign to get more business?
No, it doesn't help. No, for real, it doesn't help.
But you're the body shop.
Yeah.
It doesn't work?
No, it doesn't work.
Really did that 180. Young niggas coming to you live from a place where nobody else know to take it. They hand up, they want us to split the pie, right? Cause they realize that we